If you want to lose body fat, feel confident in your own skin, and see how I went from this to this, then this video's for you. You're probably wondering, what workout should I do today? And you've been scrolling online for 15 minutes, but you still haven't found the workout. If that sounds a little familiar, I've been there too. When I first started strength training, I felt so insecure and honestly very intimidated. But the one thing that helped me so much in seeing progress and building confidence was having a plan that was beginner friendly. A plan that I could stick to without feeling too sore, like I wouldn't be able to come back the next day, and without feeling too overwhelmed and lost. So I'm gonna give you a step-by-step plan to make starting so much easier. The goal is to not overcomplicate things. And with this plan, you are not going to need a fancy gym membership or a ton of equipment, just a safe space to move your body, a set of dumbbells, and if you don't even have a set of dumbbells, you can use some water bottles or cans of food as weights. I created the Lifting to Confidence series because I found so many women were struggling with some of the more complex movements in strength workouts, and that was deterring them from starting their strength training journey and staying consistent with it. So I wanted to create a program that had modifications and would guide you step by step through every exercise so that you could be a complete beginner, never touched a dumbbell in your life, and still feel confident. Here's how it works. You're gonna get workouts to follow from Monday to Friday, so 5 workouts a week. And you're gonna repeat these workouts for 4 to 6 weeks. In fact, I'm gonna give you a calendar that you can screenshot right here. Okay, you got it. You took your little screenshot. And every week when you are doing these workouts and repeating these workouts, the goal is to focus on building confidence in the movements. So let's say week 1 through 3, you're doing the modified lunge. The goal would be the following week to try and do the more advanced version of the lunge. And if you have access to heavier dumbbells, you can also challenge yourself by trying to use heavier weights. And if you don't have heavier dumbbells, you can totally just add on a couple more repetitions, because I'm gonna tell you exactly how many reps to do for each exercise. And if you're worried that you still won't have confidence to start this program and you won't know what to do, I want to let you know I'm going to literally guide you through everything. I'm going to tell you step by step how to properly execute these movements, and I'm gonna give you a demonstration of how to do it. And something that's really important in strength workouts is that you have enough time for your muscles to recover. And during that time, I'm going to teach you how to do the upcoming exercises and give you enough time so your body can rest, so you don't have to worry about feeling super winded or not being able to complete the workout. And now you won't have to spend another day wondering, what workout program should I do? This is the perfect place to start, or this is the perfect place to just pick your journey back up again. Click the playlist link in the description below and join all the other strong sisters in the Lifting to Confidence series. Let's get moving.